Yep, Gene Langley, salesman. I rather like it. Seems friendly enough. Howdy do, Gene Langley here. May I interest you in the latest in home appliances? It's totally real, it totally works, and it's not a sham, I assure you. I'll give you a rain check on that. It's a tough job, man. Never knowing if the next doorbell you ring will be your last. Howdy do, Gene Langley, salesman. I have a special one-time offer on a brand new invention. A silver fork. I know you've never heard of one, but trust me, it makes eating loads easier. This won't end well. Yep, I'm in pain. Huge pain. Well, you can knock me down, but I'll just get back up. I will sell something if it kills me. Probably will. Howdy do, Gene Langley, salesman. May I offer you in some wares?
I hate salesmen.
Oh my, are you a real wizard?
That I am. Now buzz off, you pest.
This is amazing, this is extraordinary. Oh, can you show me some magic? I've always wanted to see some magic. Oh man, no, I've always wanted to see magic.
Sure thing, pal. That'll teach you.
That was awesome! Can you teach me how to do that?